Hey, it's Rob with Phandroid.com. We're here at the Audi booth at CES 2014, and they've got some new in-dash technology that, amazingly enough, is working with Android, and it's based on Android. And Christian is going to tell us a little bit about that.
Hi there. So what we show here is our Audi Smart Display, where we bring the two worlds, the car system and the Android, together. So the standard inboard or dash navigation system is QNX based, which is related for the driver. So it could be a dashboard display, or then, as you see on the other side, a full integrated for the driver. And here we have the Smart Display for the passengers. You got the link to the car systems, so you can jump in there, got the car informations for the passengers, see what's going around, how fast he's driving, independently of the driver. You can access the radio systems of the car, so you can browse to the radio stations, listen to the radio ones, independently also of the driver. You can jump to media. He got his own media content onto it. It's a 32 gigabyte memory, what you can use for your music, your videos. But you can also jump to the DVD drive of the car system and watch a DVD which is plugged into it. So with any other tablet you couldn't do that, just watch a DVD there. You also can jump to navigation, and here now you can independently go around on the map. It's got a 2D or 3D map. You can go around, search for destinations. You've got a 3D model here for the landscape, for the buildings, so it's fully available. You can search
from... So the passenger could be looking at the map while the driver's still focused on the navigation.
Right, and he just had his focus on saying, I want to listen it or see it in this view, and he can exchange it and really drive it around. Or then he can search for the next coffee. You see, well, there's the next cafe, well, and then he can send it to the car, and there it pops up, and he can say, well, let's drive there.
That's cool.
So the passenger can already search for anything he wants to go, while he's still driving and not disturbed.
That's really neat.
Well, and he can also say, well, this is the car link, but he also can jump to the full Android world.
Wow.
There's all the access to the apps here. We have the direct link to the App Store. You can download whatever apps you want to, and can use it as Office or standard Apple.
Now, is this something that would be it would just be a tablet that's in the car, or is it mounted somewhere in the headset?
You get a holder, but it's detachable. So as I share it here, not just our booth holder, I can still just take it out, and it's openly there. So as you can use it freely in the car, you get a holder there to place it in there, but I also can take it out at home and use it as an Android device.
That's awesome.
So as you see, it's still connected, still doing anything, so it's not wired anything, fully going around.
What version of Android is this? Do you know?
It's right now 4.3, and we're going to 4.4 in the next weeks.
Is this available in current cars, future cars?
It's coming futures cars in the next 1 or 2 years, but we prepare every car which is now coming. So with the MRB2 system, everything will be prepared.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Let's look at the new Android technology in Audi's upcoming cars.